Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy meal, only 550 calories, that's perfect for those who want to maintain a balanced diet while still enjoying a mouth-watering taste. Our star dish is a high-protein garlic steak bites, along with a delicious Cajun mac and cheese. That's only about 550 calories. First, let's talk about the protein. We started with high-quality steak, which is packed with essential amino acids to support muscle growth and repair. To give it a boost of flavor, we marinated it with a blend of garlic, paprika, and other spices. Then, we seared it to get a crispy, golden exterior and tender, juicy inside. For the side dish, we have a creamy Cajun mac and cheese. The recipe is packed with flavor from a blend of spices. This creamy, cheesy dish is the perfect accompaniment to our juicy steak bites. To bring this meal together, we combined the steak bites with a serving of mac and cheese, which was cooked until the macaroni was tender and the cheese was bubbly. We topped it all off with a sprinkle of fresh parsley and a drizzle of Cajun spice to add a kick of flavor, making it a great option for those watching their calorie intake. This meal is not only packed with protein and flavor, but it's also only about 550 calories. The high-protein garlic steak bites and the creamy Cajun mac and cheese are a delicious combination that's sure to satisfy your cravings while keeping you on track with your healthy eating goals. And enjoy a delicious balanced meal that's sure to impress. Give this recipe a try.